Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Day by Day. Today, we'll talk about something many of us feel nervous about: giving a presentation. Have you ever felt your hands shake or your voice go quiet when speaking in front of others? Don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone feels nervous sometimes. In today's short story, let's listen to how one student feels when giving a presentation in English. Let's begin. I am very nervous about giving an English presentation. Whenever I have to speak in front of the class, I start to feel scared. My hands shake and my voice becomes quiet. I worry that I will make mistakes or forget what to say. Even though I practice a lot at home, it is still hard for me to feel confident. I know that speaking English in front of others is important, but it is difficult to overcome my fear. Sometimes, I try to imagine that I am just talking to my friends. It helps me feel a little better. I hope that with more practice, I will become more confident one day.